In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Canva documents seamlessly. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started with graphic design, these tips will help you make the most of Canva's extensive features and streamline your creative process. First, let's begin by accessing your Canva document. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Canva website. Log into your account, and once you're in, locate the specific document you want to work on. This is your canvas for creativity, where all your design magic happens. Now let's dive into one of the essential aspects of design, choosing the right font. Fonts are crucial because they help convey the tone and style of your message. To get started, navigate to the left side of your screen and find the text option. Click on it and you'll notice that Canva offers a variety of preset font combinations that you can use immediately. These are great if you're in a hurry and need a quick yet stylish text insert for your project. But if you have a specific font in mind, you can customize further. After inserting your text, go ahead and click on your text box. Look up to the top of your page and there it is, in the upper middle section of the toolbar, the Font Selection drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll find an extensive library of fonts. From modern to classic, Canva has a font for every style and occasion. Scroll through the options, and once you've found the font that fits your design, click to apply it. Additionally, Canva provides you with the tools to enhance your text further. If you want to add emphasis, consider making your text bold. Just a simple click will do it. You can also italicize or underline text to suit your creative needs. Adjusting text alignment and spacing can dramatically improve the readability of your content, making it visually appealing and easier to follow. These adjustments can completely transform your design, so I encourage you to experiment and see what aligns best with your vision. Now that you've successfully customized your fonts and text style, your design is ready to shine. You see, working with text in Canva is not just about choosing what looks good, but also about creating something that communicates the right message and evokes the desired emotional response. And that wraps up our guide on how to utilize text tools effectively in Canva. With these skills, you can ensure that every document you create is not only beautifully designed, but also professionally executed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and here's to creating amazing designs with Canva.